Are you recording already?
Okay.
Okay, damn. Hello.
Hey.
Hi. How's it going?
Good.
Great. Wait. Hi, Destry. Stop. We have a very important question for you.
Very important question.
Very important.
Maybe 4. Maybe 8.
So, our question is, where do you come up with everything? Yeah, because do you just sit there, or it's still funny?
Maybe you look for the internet. Maybe that makes it funny.
I don't know, because we've tried.
Yeah. It's not everybody. Yeah.
Okay.